My name is Natalie Moore, Code Enforcement Administrator for the City of Riviera Beach. I'm here to talk to you about a great program, the city's Code Enforcement Amnesty Program. The Code Enforcement Amnesty Program is designed to help property owners correct their outstanding code violations, bring their properties into compliance with city codes and ordinances, and to obtain a quick reduction of the outstanding fines or liens. To be eligible for the program, the property must be in compliance with all city codes and ordinances. The property owner must not have active code violations on any other property owned in the City of Riviera Beach. The property owner must not be subject to foreclosure or have a previous City Council reduction or settlement denial. The terms of the amnesty program are: eligible homeowners may settle their outstanding fines by paying the city's administrative costs only. Eligible property owners of rental properties may settle outstanding fines by paying 2% of the outstanding fines or the city's administrative costs, whichever is greater. Eligible commercial property owners may settle outstanding fines by paying 5% of the outstanding fine total or the city's administrative cost, whichever is greater. The City of Riviera Beach is undergoing tremendous revitalization and redevelopment, and it's important that our neighborhoods play a part. If you have questions about eligibility or about the Code Enforcement Amnesty Program, please call the city's Code Enforcement Division at 882-3505 or check the city's website.